But before it's over, this storm may be one for the record books. Even so, it will probably have a hard time topping the blizzard of '89.
Yeah, Mike Gooding takes a look back at how people, including himself, managed to get through it.
A once-in-a-century storm is what the Virginian pilot called it. An unexpectedly heavy two-day blizzard in February 1989 made Hampton Roads the snow capital of the East, the pilot reported. The National Weather Service recorded 15.4 inches of snowfall during that winter blast, which lasted from February 17th to February 19th. In other words, exactly 36 years ago to this very day. So what did your boy do? Something you can't do now. I went skiing at Mount Trashmore before it got outlawed.
Okay, so it's not Vail, but it is the best thing we've got going around here. And besides, I didn't want to let the kids have all the fun today.
In fact, before that February was over, there'd be much more frozen fun. Hampton Roads got walloped with 24 inches of the white stuff in all, the most in a single month on record ever. Photographer Mike Babcock and I decided to go check out some locals who deliberately avoided being out in the elements. They were staying warm with some cool beverages inside the Willoughby Inn in Ocean View.
How long you been here today?
Oh, since about 10 o'clock this morning.
How long are you going to be here?
Until they throw me out.
I couldn't blame him. Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.
How about that? Mike Gooding on some skis.
Hey, Mike Gooding on some skis and Mike Gooding with the mustache?
Yeah.
Come on now.
Yep, Mike Gooding.